I have taken here 1 cup of toor dal or arhar dal. I'm going to wash it nicely and pressure cook it till 3 whistles or the dal is boiled like this. Now in a pan, I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of desi ghee or clarified butter. The aroma comes out very nice with ghee, and I'm going to add here whole jeera, half a teaspoon of jeera and few curry leaves. And when it pop up, at that time I'm going to add here chopped garlic and finely juliennes of ginger and onions, and add here 1 chopped tomato and 2-3 whole red chilli, which I have just forgot to switch on my camera and I forgot to show you. Add salt to taste and saute this till the tomato is mashed, and then add the dry masalas, that is haldi, dhania, jeera and red chili powder to it. And now again saute this for a few minutes, and after that add just hing, 1/4 teaspoon of hing into it, and cook it till 2-3 minutes till the tomato and everything is mashed. And now I'm going to take here a bunch of methi leaves which I have washed nicely, and then you can roughly chop here. I have roughly chopped here, and I'm going to add this into the masala. Cook it till your methi is softened. Add a little bit of sugar, or you can skip it if you don't like sugar. You can skip it, but sugar enhances the taste well into it, and mix it well till your methi is cooked. Do not overcook it, or else your color will be changed. The green color won't stay like this. And then my methi has been softened, and now I'm adding here the dal. Adjust the consistency of your dal with adding some water into it, and cook it till 3-4 minutes in a slow flame, and your methi dal is ready to serve. Enjoy this dal with roti, rice, anything you can like. Believe me, the aroma of ghee and the methi is wonderful. So do try it and let me know in the comment section how did you like it.